Alright, because A, B, C, and D are filled with equal amounts of water and placed side by side in a room, which beakers will have water droplets form on the outside surface. Now again, remember what we already know about condensation and evaporation. We know that condensation, right, occurs when water vapor loses heat, alright, so and turns into water. Now we know that water vapor is a gas, and we know when it loses heat, it turns into water, which is a liquid. Right? So this is something that we need to understand. Okay, so if we already know this, then let's look what is the surrounding temperature. We know that the surrounding temperature is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, if the question does not tell you, then you can assume that. All right. But if the question, sometimes the question states the surrounding temperature. If it doesn't, then this would be a safe uh, range for you to assume the room temperature to be. Now let's look. If your water vapor, and you know that air has a lot of water vapor. Okay, air has lots of water vapor. Now when water vapor in the surrounding air touches 100 degrees Celsius, there would be from 25 to 30 to 100. Okay, I think there would be a heat gain, right? Instead of a heat loss. So would there be any condensation here from a cooler to hotter? Cooler water vapor touching hotter surface. I don't think, in fact, there won't be any condensation because the water vapor would be gaining heat instead of losing heat. Okay. All right. Next one is 70 degrees Celsius. Again, 25 to 30 degrees is the temperature of the water vapor, and when it touches 70 degrees Celsius, it won't it won't be losing heat. In fact, the water vapor will be gaining heat again. And we know for condensation to occur, to happen, there must be heat loss. So in B, there will not be any condensation on the surface, on the outside surface. Right here, we have 25. Again, for the C, container C, we have a temperature or water vapor in the surrounding air, and the surrounding air is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. When it touches 30 degrees Celsius, there will not be any heat gain, right? Sorry, there will not be any heat loss from the water vapor. Instead, there will be a heat gain from the water vapor, because if it's 25, it will be gaining heat from the 30 degrees. Okay, so there will not be any water vapor condensing on the outside surface. Now from 25 to 30, all right, there is a significant drop in temperature. The warmer water vapor in the surrounding air touches the cooler surface. So the water vapor will be losing heat. And when the water vapor loses heat, there will be condensation. Alright, and because of that, the answer is quite obvious. I leave it to you to decide which answer it is. Think about it and answer it, put it down during the test. Thank you.